What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sneaker Talk for a brand new sneaker haul. Now today we have yet again another massive Adidas sneaker haul. All of these were gifted by the friends over at Adidas, so thank you Adidas for sending all of these over. I really appreciate it. If you guys like any of the sneakers you see today, I will of course leave them linked in the description down below. With that said, there is going to be quite a few basketball sneakers in today's haul. I don't usually show you guys a lot of basketball sneakers, but Adidas blessed me with a ton of them, and I honestly might give a couple of these away. So make sure you guys just follow me on Instagram at SneakerTalkCA and like me on Facebook, SneakerTalkCA, if you guys want a chance at some free basketball sneakers from Adidas. So to start my hauls off like I usually have over the last couple of weeks, we're gonna start off with a pop figure pickup. The very first pickup today is actually going to be my main character in Overwatch. If you guys collect pop figures, you know they make a lot of video game pop figures, and this is my absolute main in Overwatch right now. Ana, she is my favorite support hero because I'm actually really good at aiming, although I love playing Mercy, which doesn't require any, I want to say, mechanical skill. Ana requires the exact opposite. She requires a ton of skill, and I love healing my teammates as Ana. So yeah, little pop figure pickup. Let me know in the comments if you picked up any recent pop figures as well. And yeah, nice to add this to my collection. I'll put it right beside the Mercy. Hopefully it doesn't fall down. And if you notice, we have two Jollibee pop figures down below, and we have a bunch of Apex Legend pop figures up here too. I do have a huge tour video coming soon, so if you guys want to see everything I collect, stay tuned for that on the channel. Next up, we have some clothing pickups for this Adidas haul as well. Adidas sent all of these over too. So we'll start off with this purple jacket right here. This is like a fall kind of jacket or a spring kind of jacket. It's not heavy duty for the winter seasons when it's really cold in Canada, but if it is just a day where you can wear a jacket, you know, on top of a hoodie or something, or a sweater, this is something you can throw on. It has this like half synthetic, like that puffer kind of material we're used to seeing on the puffer jackets. Then it has this sort of like woolly kind of material on the bottom portion right here, and some Adidas branding in the middle, which is actually a pocket, so you can throw some stuff in the pockets right here. The pocket also has some zippers on the side too, which is really useful so you don't lose your keys. I find these pockets to be the most important ones when they have zippers, because you know you never want to lose like important things like your keys or your wallet. So when it comes to Adidas sweats, I love Adidas sweats and Adidas hoodies. When it comes to the sweatpants and stuff, I find their quality top notch and the fit is always really good. So here's a look at the black Adidas sweatpants. They're sweatpants. However, the major key detail on these pants is the three stripes on the ankle right here. So if you like to stunt your sneakers on Instagram, or you just want some extra flair around the ankle area of your outfit, the three stripes will stand out, and it looks pretty dope depending on what sneakers you are wearing. One thing I really like about Adidas sweatpants is a lot of them do have zippers. So a lot of the cheaper sweatpants out there, like, they just don't opt to put zippers, but yo, put these zippers in here, they make a huge difference. I hate having my phone slide out of my pockets, my keys, my money, my coins, whatever. And then we have the Adidas embroidery on the side here as well. Now I don't have any on-body footage of this, but I do have an on-body picture of the next item, which is the matching hoodie. Now I love hoodies, both zip up and like pullover hoodies. Now zip up hoodies I tend to wear more often because temperatures change, or if you're indoors and outdoors, the temperature can vary. So I like being able to quickly take off my hoodie or quickly throw on a hoodie without messing up my hair or anything like that. So this is the matching black hoodie. Very simple. It's all black everywhere, including the black zipper. And then we have the small Adidas branding with that embroidery going on the left side. Just like the sweatpants where I showed you guys the little detail, these also have a very small subtle detail as well on the wrist area right here. So bam, we got the three stripes action. It's a solid black hoodie, nothing too crazy. Here's an on-body look at it as well. I'll leave links for these in the description down below. But next up, let's go to what you guys probably came here for, the sneakers. All right, so before we get to the basketball sneakers, let's start off with the Adidas Young 96. I have shown this sneaker to you guys in the past. So we have the blue Adidas Originals box, but it's a colorway I haven't yet shown on the channel. And here we go. It is this black and charcoal gray one. And these are one of those sneakers that I recommended to you guys in the past if you were looking for a budget dad shoe. That was like under $100, and I think I've seen these on sale for around $80 to $70. I think retail is usually about $120 in terms of Canadian dollars. And yeah, I would recommend going half a size down in the Adidas Young 96. And this is just a simple, solid daily sneaker. It's not going to be a shoe that you're going to flex with. This is a shoe that's just going to piece your outfit together. Now I did have some fun with this and tried to style these with my Yeezy hoodie. So here's an on-body look, or a full outfit photo of me with the Adidas Young 96. Next Next up, we have the Adidas Supercourt in this blue box right here. Now, the Adidas Supercourt, I believe, is one of the sneakers in the Adidas Home of the Classics or Home of Classics collection. They're one of those like timeless kind of sneakers, similar to the Adidas Stan Smith or the Superstar, which I believe is celebrating its 50th year anniversary this year. So let's open up the Adidas Supercourt box right here. And this colorway isn't your typical all-white colorway. It has some small hits, some subtle suede actions in sort of this cream beige. As you can see, these use a full grain white leather upper all over the side of the sneaker and also on the toe box region as well. Now it sort of doubles up on the toe area with this creamy beige suede. Here's the Adidas branding on the booty of the shoe, and then here it is on the tongue as well. I like how they have the gold branding, like half on the suede tongue and then half on the white part of the tongue. It's pretty cool. And then on the inside actually uses some leather material. Definitely a more dressier kind of sneaker, but I'm sure you guys can style these however you would like. And here's what they look like with a simple clean outfit, just a burgundy tee from Parlor 23. Adidas sent over 4 pairs of the Harden Vol.4. 4 pairs. I was not expecting 4 pairs at all. I don't play basketball, so I'm not gonna get like a lot of value out of these sneakers. I'll probably keep 1 or 2 pairs of these, but I think I'll give away 1 or 2 of them over to you guys over on my Instagram or Facebook. So make sure you guys like me on both platforms. It's at SneakerTalkCA on both. So to start off the Harden sneakers, one of the very first things you guys will notice about the shoes is they all come in this white and gold Harden box. This gold is like a foily, shiny kind of texture print. It will look cool if you are a person who likes to display their sneakers with their shoe boxes. I like to do that, as you can tell, with some of the shoes in the back. And here we go. These did come with a little letter right here. Christian, enjoy the new Harden Vol.4. I'ma be a star. So this is the I'ma be a star Harden Vol.4. Thank you again, Adidas, for sending these over. The gold is really shiny right here, while the rest of the shoe is very simple, very low-key, very subtle, but that really pops. Now it does have gold on the inside right here of the shoe, but it's not as loud as the outside. Like you guys can definitely tell with the way the light's hitting it, it definitely pops more on the outside than the inside. It sort of reminds me of like a chromed out rim, and I really like that, because when you think about a black basketball sneaker, it usually will just, you just look over it like it's nothing. But when you see these pop, that gold accent on the shoe pops, you'll be like, damn, what? Damn, that's shiny. And then you distract the enemy team, and then you're scoring layups and you're getting buckets. You feel me? The Adidas I'ma be a star Harden Vol.4. Here's a quick look around the shoe. Here's a look at the back, that golden Harden logo as well. Very dope. And this is probably one of the quieter colorways of the 4. This next colorway is not something I would typically see myself wearing, so it's cool to see Adidas sending me over sneakers that I can experiment with. Pop open the lid. I said it was a Harden Vol.4, as I mentioned earlier. And here is a little letter. Christian, enjoy the new hashtag Harden Vol.4, hashtag Adidas basketball, hashtag free to create. So thank you, Adidas, for these Harden Vol.4s. This one here, ooh, this one's like a bubblegum pink kind of colorway. One thing I tend to notice, actually, right off the bat, the Harden Vol.4, the toe box right here, this like suede toe box, it kind of reminds me of the Yeezy 500. You could call this like the bubblegum colorway, because it is all this like bubblegum pink. And again, I'll leave links to these sneakers in the description down below. All right, this next Adidas Harden Vol.4 I love. I even took some outfit photos, which I will show you guys in just a second, but let's get to it right now. Harden Vol.4 white and gold box. Pop open the lid, and here we go. This is like the Oreo colorway, the zebra colorway of the Harden Vol.4. I love anything zebra printed like this. It's always really fun to wear. It always pops. It always breaks people's neck, and that's what you're trying to do on the court. You feel me? When you're on court, if you're not breaking people's necks with your basketball moves, you're breaking people's necks with your footwear. Ooh, one little thing I just noticed about the Harden Vol.4, small little detail. I can't tell exactly what it says. Let me just read it. Asaya MPA 106th Street. I'm not sure what that means at the moment, but I'll figure that out very soon. But here is a look at the Harden Vol.4, this zebra or Oreo colorway. We have hits of gum sole on the bottom, like just this little half portion of it, and the back is really dope too. We got the golden Harden logo right there, and this is my favorite. This has got to be my favorites. So thank you Adidas Canada or Adidas Basketball for sending over these Harden Volume 4s. Now these are super comfortable, and Adidas did send over all these in a size 9.5. I honestly got to update Adidas and let them know I'm size 10 for a lot of their stuff. I'll just tell them size 10 from now on. But yeah, if you do get these Harden Volume 4s, definitely go your true size, because if you go half a size down when you are pivoting and you are running for extended periods of time, your toes will push against this. So you can't go half a size down. You definitely got to go your true size. Number 4 out of 4. This is the last one for today, and here we go. Bam! Harden Volume 4. These sort of remind me of like a popsicle you would get from the ice cream truck during a hot summer day. I really like the sort of print it has on the blue as well. It reminds me of like when you're looking at a pool and it's like steaming hot and you just want to jump in. So this is definitely screaming like a summer shoe to me. I like the little gradient hit right here on the side of the shoe as well. And then even on the bottom, it's like a yin and yang, pink and blue kind of mixture. Thank you again Adidas for sending all of these over. I'll be sure to link these in the description down below if you guys want to check these out. On to the final sneaker of today's Adidas sneaker haul. We have a special Raptors and Adidas collaboration. They might be wondering, what are all these numbers on the box right here? Well, the numbers on the box are actually the Raptors playoff scores for that NBA season. So all those thick numbers, those juicy wins, these are actually limited to 613 pairs, and that is a nod to the Raptors winning the NBA championships on June 13th. So let's pop open this lid right here and show you guys what we got. Oh, we even have a little note right here, you could say, on the box lid. So the box lid reads, World Champs. The Toronto Raptors and Adidas have come together to release a limited edition Adidas AM4 to celebrate the Raptors' historic 2019 championship. Each pair details scores from every playoff win with distinct Toronto Raptors marks celebrating the team, city, country, and championship. This is one of only 613 pairs made commemorating the date we won it all on June 13th. We the North. So thank you Adidas Canada for blessing your boy with these sneakers. Also, quick disclaimer, I did get these like over a month ago. I've just been traveling a ton, so I haven't gotten to get to these sneakers yet. So sorry for the delay, but I will definitely cherish these sneakers. They come with a special wrapping paper, including a sticker to seal up the tissue. So it has the Raptors logo, We the North, World Championship, or World Champions? World Champs. World Champs. And then we'll just reveal the shoes to you guys right now. Ooh, here we go. Damn, these are clean. So these right here are the Adidas AM4. Now, I'm not too familiar with the Adidas AM4. I'm pretty sure it is one of their performance running models, and this is just in true Raptors fashion. Bold Raptors logo right here. We have the World Champ. It says Champs on the shoe right here on the toe box of the left side, and it says World on the other. So World Champs. Don't you forget it, all you Raptors haters. We are the NBA World Champs, okay? Don't get it twisted. And just like I showed you guys on the box, all of these scores, it has that same print throughout the entire upper of the sneaker. So that is very dope. I love the hits of red right here as well. It's the perfect shade of red. It does a really good job at contrasting. And on the opposite side, it says We the North. That is the Toronto Raptors slogan. These sneakers are actually made in USA, so check it out. It says Adidas made in USA on the insole right there. These are super lightweight as well. I was not expecting these to be as light as they are. These have a full length boost midsole right here. As you can tell, very textured. Like, you can see a lot of texture in here. I'm pretty sure it must be very condensed boost. White laces on the shoe. They do also come with black laces as well. On the tongue of the sneaker here, it says 2019 World Champs. The outsole is throwing me off. There's like this thing wedged in the middle between the boost on the outsole. It's tripping me out. It almost looks like a syringe, but it's not quite. It's throwing me off. I'm not sure what it is, what it does, but I do know one thing for certain. I have no idea when I'm going to wear these. Maybe I wear these sneakers for when the Raptors start off their playoff season or playoff run this year for the year of 2020. I don't know when I'm going to wear these, but I will definitely cherish these and keep these on ice. Thank you guys for sending these over. Raptors, thank you guys for finally winning a championship. You know, I was born the same year that the Raptors were created, so we have a special connection, a special bond, you know, that not a lot of people share. You know, we mean the Raptors, we go back, yo, we're boys. Adidas, you guys nailed it on this release. This one came out of nowhere, and I'm really thankful that you guys sent them over. So thank you. If you made it to the end of the video, comment down below which sneaker you guys like the most out out of all 7 of these, I think it's easy for me to pick the Raptors AM4. And one last thing, don't forget to like me on Facebook. It's SneakerTalk CA. Catch you guys later. Peace out.